Undetected, they can establish the initiative, choosing the moment and location for the fight, theoretically striking the enemy's weakest point. Becoming a sniper is one of the most sought-after jobs within the SEAL units.
.50 caliber sniper rifles are becoming the wave of the future for special operations. With these types of firearms, we don't need to send a demolition team in. We can simply stand off from the target and shoot it.
A sniper is an expert with a rifle, surgically precise and capable of hitting a target accurately over and over again from a distance of 1.5 kilometers.